Hello YouTube, Tristan Taylor here. Today I'm mounting my new TV antenna, and of course there's an airplane somewhere up there from Santa Monica Municipal. Anyways, so I'm using my drill, antenna, plywood board, some bricks to weigh the thing down, and of course the mounting hardware that came with it. Now let me get a ladder, if I will, from in here. There's a big lock in it. Of course there is. Right, this will do. That one is like 3,000 feet tall, and it's like 25 tons. This one's aluminium. You can see I already have my coax cable going up there because I already have an antenna up there. But the antenna I have up there is shitty. Let me set up this. See, we're just going to go up on the roof with my stuff. I'll get back to you when I get all of that up there. Stand by. Alright, we got everything up on the roof. This is my old antenna here. It's a pair of rabbit ears with a coax cable going down to my bedroom. Held down by 2 bricks. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to disconnect this. There goes that. There we go. Put that over here. Right. And what we need to do, I also have this junction box that it was wedged into with the bricks. I'll go over there. Right, so we'll put the bricks here and here. See how well that works. Let's go a little bit more this way. Like that. Okay, that's not what I need to do. I need to switch the camera around, hang on. Okay, so we got it up and running here. What I need to do is I need to take my antenna and my mounting hardware and my drill. What I need to do, what I actually need to do is I need to flip this around this J-pole here. It's going to be pointed upwards. Do that. Go. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Here we go. Tighten it here now. Hopefully the wind isn't interfering too much. Alright. Go on the side like that. There's a mountain hardware right here in the bag. Drill. Now what we'll do is we'll put this on the board like so. Let me change the orientation of these bricks. One screw. See here. And one more. All we can fit. See, yeah, okay, this thing is pointing right at me. We make sure. go. Now we're going to take one of these other bricks and we're going to kind of point it up a little bit. Like that. Another brick. It's hot out today. I'm dripping sweat on my face. There we go. Point it like that. Now we'll take our coax cable. Back a bit actually. Not far enough back. Okay. Mount this. Yeah. Put the coax cable in. Like so. See here. It's hot today. Okay, like that. Okay, other mountain hardware in the bag. Now what we'll do when we get inside, we'll do a rescan on the TV for channels. Okay. Got my junction box right here. I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the TV antenna. The extra brick. Put that back to weigh it down. Like that. Toss that down. Toss the bag of mountain hardware down. And I'll leave this right here and I'll come back down, grab my stuff. See you in a moment. Okay. So here's the TV. I'll take our remote, hit the TV button.
Those of us who are not along the coast. And here's a look at what we can expect for those high temperatures today. Again, we are going to be a little bit warmer. 91 for Santa Clarita, 86 degrees for Van Nuys today, 88 for Chino, and 104 in...
Start scan. I'm just going to scan through analog channels first, even though there are like no analog channels, because the FCC shut them all down. So we'll scan this one. Then we'll scan the set-top box on this one. And if I so please that one, but that one doesn't have a coax cable going to it because I have it going to my FM tuner. So now it's on the digital channels. Look at my computer now. For now. On my computer video channel, I will be upgrading the memory in this computer. So yeah, we'll see a video on that computer very soon. Anyways. Kind of just sit and wait, you know. So I'll come back when this is done. Look at that. Already found a bunch of channels already. It's awesome. It says the antenna has the antenna box right here. I bought it at Home Depot. It says it has a 70-mile range and it has a free signal finder app. I mean, we're on the coast here in LA, so we're pretty good on that, I guess. And we also have DirecTV for the main TVs in the house, like i.e. the living room and my parents' bedroom. But it's nice to have over-the-air TV because there's certain channels you don't get on DirecTV or cable TV with your subscriptions. This is all free. So let that run, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys. We got way more channels than I have ever had before. Originally, if I had... Shit, did I hit a button?
With Usarna. It's the #1 doctor-recommended brand that's scientifically designed
Finish,
to
I
help
guess.
manage your blood sugar. Live every
Exit.
moment.
Bricks protect.
What channels there are? I know there was a movie channel, or like a throwback, or like something called Stories. See all the Armenian channels. Channel 11.
Joseph.
Channel 14. Yeah, K-Palm.
AARP.
Look at that, super clear.
모릅니다.
What? Oh, I must have hit the wrong. Hang on.
날씨도 어제보다 많이 포근해졌는데요. 여름에 술록들이 좋아하는 먹이는 초록식물의 새순입니다. 먹이가 많은 여름에.
Okay, we'll let that run, and then I'll do my thing. Okay, so it turns out I keep forgetting this. You have to specify analog or digital. So if I wanted to tune to a digital channel, I have to go like 2-1 on my remote. Right. And we'll do this TV that's already on. Hello. Menu. Auto search. There it goes. Let that do its let that do its thing, and yeah. All right, 195 channels on this on the Homeworks box, and this one got like what 188, so pretty reasonable amount, almost 200. That's insane. For most of them are probably foreign language, but I could be wrong. I haven't surfed through all of them yet. Let that finish. So, yeah, 195 digital TV channels. I don't know what the music channels are. Mediasonic. They're based in Taiwan, so I don't know. 3.0, and it'll finish.
PlayStation 5.
See if I get anything on here. Let's retro.
Now let's go.
So on Kids TV. We have many channels in the 57 range. So we go Sun Charge Knight Rider. TV. This one you don't have to specify, so I can go 54, enter. There it is right there. No signal, eh? Oh, there it goes.
What are you doing?
That's my windows in the background there. Hercules. Let's see what's on Quest. Aussie Gold Hunters. Aussie Gold Hunters. CSI Miami. Walker Texas Ranger. Spanish stuff. Which I don't speak Spanish. Okay. Usual stuff, KTAV. Projects. Projects. Dateline. More, another bounce channel. Lucky Charms commercial. Lots of channels. Sun, HSN, Fit Flop Footwear. That 70s show. Hoarders, that's a good show. So what time is it? 124. I will go EPG, orders, record.
You may be entitled to compensation.
Court TV.
User Danielle. Yeah, okay.
Suppressing shit. 27.
He walked in on her.
I didn't know there was a 27 channel. 25, that sounds about right. What's on Mana? That's like a Mexican band. I don't know. What's YTV?
우드 플로어, 윈도우 블라인드와 트렌디한
I don't know.
가게, 카페 더반, 다양한 지적
More Korean stuff, and I'm watching Block Train Korea on the YouTube over there. Something's on fire. So this is decades. It's weird. Anyways, heroes.
best that they can.
Movies. Buzzer.
Closed all the roads, and it was.
Tasting
Let's leave it on 10-12. It's just the color bars. Get on there, look cool. Probably receive channel 8 better too now.
Perhaps while he might have not have been in the jurisdiction, or that he couldn't be served because he was homeless, had that statute of limitations told, even with that, and myself,
It's coming in clear. Clear. Sometimes it has trouble picking up like the really local channels, like 2 through 11 sometimes, but this is working good. MeTV Plus, that works too. Growing Pains, TBD. Endless Unscripted, that's a good one. Oh my god. What? It's an ostrich. Is that an emu? An emu. Emu? I don't fucking know. Oh, he just fell. He ate shit. So, yeah, it all works. To 54. Story. Boneyard. I don't know. Anyways. Turn that off. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video on my second channel, Tristan Taylor's Computer Vids, where I will upgrade the memory, the RAM on this computer here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace out.